Hello guys, so ito naman ngayon yung isang equipment na tinatawag nilang material hoist. Minsan nakikita natin ito sa site o madalas pala na nakikita natin ito sa site. Ang karamihan nito is passenger hoist at material hoist. So pag-usapan naman natin yung material hoist. Specifically po sa material hoist lang. So do not ride. Ito pala yung ito yung do not do's and don'ts. So morely ito yung don'ts ng material hoist. So do not ride on material hoist. Wag po kasi based on the name, okay, and specification para lang po sa material. Do not operate material hoist without any prior training. Bakit po? Kasi hindi natin alam yung mga function ng ating mga button, baka po tayo ay malaglag. Do not exceed safe working load of material hoist. Yan po, wag po natin siyang i-overload, baka bigla po siyang bubagsak. Naku po, Diyos ko, tayo po ay mananagot sa batas. Do not use material hoist unless it has examined and certified by safe competent person. Okay, trained person, certified na nag-inspect ng material hoist. Do not use material hoist unless its gates has been installed with an effective interlocking safety system or device. The hoist is only operable after all the gates have been closed. Ibig sabihin po, wag natin i-bypass yung material hoist gate. Kasi po, pag yan po ay hindi nagsara o walang safety system device, pwede po tayong malaglag in case po na may mangyari sa atin. Okay guys, so do not use material hoist unless it has been repaired and maintained by a competent person and no authorized person to repair that one is allowed. Okay guys, ensure good communication with operator and material hoist. All signals should be understood and followed. Yan po yung mga don'ts ng material hoist. And guys, sana po may matutunan kayo sa akin. Maraming salamat po.